Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be talking about three things that I see in a stock or an ETF that I require for me to make a swing trade. Alright, so we're going to start off with the first one. This is the first one. It is called indicators. Indicators and overall up direction. So for me to make a good swing trade, I'm going to actually go to Microsoft because they're in a pretty good position right now. So there's an overall upward trend pattern with it keeps bouncing off this line right here, the 180-day SMA, and it's about to go above the 15 EMA, which is the thing for confirming direction in the short term. Now, I look for the DMA lines to look like that, where it's starting to make new highs, and I also look for an RSI below 50. I also look for a breakout indicator. So this is my breakout indicator. Every single time it crosses, it breaks up or down. Now, the indicator doesn't actually show, but like right there, it detected a breakout. So that's what happened. So now, if we go back a little bit, yeah, and then if you're having anything else, problems with like detecting like direction or anything, you can look at the Woody CCI. I mean, I use it sometimes, but yep. All right, so that's number one. Number two is look for good news. So this is Microsoft's news. If you see all good news, everything's good. I mean, I'd get it from a third-party source, but announcements, stuff like that. And if it's all good, then you can continue on the next thing, and that is data analysts. So I'm going to show you how to do it on both Webull and Robinhood. So if you come over here, type in Microsoft, it usually stays on quote, but you can go to news here, so it's also there, financials, and if you're holding like a long swing trade, you're going to want to look at financials too. That's a bonus, but yes, press releases, but you want to go to analyst, and then if there's above a 50% buy or strong buy, you're going to want to buy it. Now I'm going to show you how to do this on Robinhood. Now, I also like to look at other the competitors. So if you can see, it's just, all right, so this is Microsoft. Doesn't really matter if it's up or down on the day because you're swing trading it. Look at 88% say that it's going to be high. Bulls say public cloud is widely considered to be the future enterprise of computing, and yeah, Microsoft is not the top player in key sources of growth, Azure and Dynamics or whatever. And you can read all that. Now, you can look at their earnings, do everything, but it really doesn't matter. You're just looking if it has a good data analyst. So now, go pick the spots that you want to get in. So I'd get in right there, wait for it to make new highs, and going to break this trend line. Now it looks like it's going to do it, so if you're feeling a little risky, you can go above it, and I mean, you can go below it and start buying. So, number one, try to get on a pattern. Do the same thing for every single trade, especially swing trade. First, yeah, start out with indicators. Does the indicators look right? Does the that's number one. Does the indicators fit all your recommendations or whatever? Number two, finish. What's it called? Look for news. If there's any bad news, I wouldn't really do it because, like, let's just say that it's a GM and they had to recall a bunch of cars, then their stock price is probably going to go way down, even though it nothing's intentionally wrong with their company. I mean, maybe there's a big problem with it, but in my experience, there's just not. Now, there's the third thing, analysts. You can see what other people are talking about when they're trading, so you really don't have to guess. So thank you for watching. I have Discord in the description where you can talk to people that run hedge funds and stuff like that. I have a free trading course that covers everything from day trading to swing trading to pretty much everything. It's pretty in depth. And then financials, and then I'm coming out with a new, what's it called? A new trading course. It's supposed to be way more in depth. And then I'm going to come out with one more, and it's going to be about other types of investing that you can do. So if you have any questions, go on Discord at Ogdn Ames, and then I have a hedge fund, so go into the description. You invest in that. Do whatever you want. Man, this is a lot of promotions. I have a Robinhood and Webull link down below if you want free stocks. I get one and you get one. And with Webull, you get two. So, thanks for watching.